In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Microsoft Excel using Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first step in this process is to open the Google Sheet you want to convert. So head over to your Google Drive homepage. Once there, sign in to your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the right one. Now, once you're signed in, the next task is to locate the specific Google Sheets file you want to convert. If you're looking for a quick way to find it, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the file, and it should pop up pretty quickly. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the file. This will open it up in the Google Sheets editor, and you'll be all set to move on. With your spreadsheet open, let's move on to accessing the File menu. Look at the top left corner of the screen and you'll see File listed there. Click on the File menu. This click will display a drop-down list of options that you can choose from. Next, we want to select the download format for our conversion. In the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over the option labeled Download. Doing this will open up a side menu that shows you various file formats available for download. Among those options, you'll want to select Microsoft Excel, which is labeled as .xlsx. This is the format that Microsoft Excel uses, and it's the one we'll be working with today. Now, after you select that option, Google Sheets will automatically start the conversion process for you. It's pretty seamless. In just a moment, your spreadsheet will be converted to the Excel format, and the download will begin. Upon completion of the download, the file will typically be saved directly to your computer's default Downloads folder. And that's it. You now have your Google Sheet converted into a Microsoft Excel file. It's that simple. You can go to your Downloads folder, find your new .xlsx file, and open it up in Microsoft Excel to view or edit your spreadsheet there. If you followed along, this straightforward process should have only taken a few minutes of your time. Converting your files between Google Sheets and Excel can be extremely beneficial, especially if you're collaborating with others who prefer one format over the other. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks about Google Drive, spreadsheets, and much more. Happy converting, and I'll see you in the next video.